Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily install NetFramework 3.5 for Windows. So for installing it you just need to write in Google NetFramework and just here you can look what version of framework is latest, and just here you can see that it's .NET Microsoft official site, so just click on it and just here you can see choose download NetFramework 4.7.2 runtime. Just click on it. And now your download will automatically start. If it don't automatically start, just click here to download it manually. So here you can see it. Just click on it, and yes. So just wait some time after it will upload your. So here you can see that NetFramework 4.7.2 or a later update is already installed on my computer. That's why I can't install it. But also, if you want to install, and if you doesn't have it, you will install it just following steps: continue, next, and finish. So this is how you can install NetFramework. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.